Two models, one scores 92 on the leaderboard, one scores 88. You pick the 92, point it at your own code base, and the 88 one does better work. So picture that score as water in a pipe, running from the leaderboard to your desk. 3 holes in that pipe, most of it never arrives. Start with the exam itself. swe-bench is 500 real GitHub issues with their real fixes, published openly, so anyone can reproduce the results, but published openly on GitHub means it gets crawled into the next training run, along with the answers. So researchers at Purdue and Microsoft ran a cruel little test. They handed models only the text of an issue, no repository, no file tree, then asked which file to fix. Up to 76% of the time, the model named the right file. But on repositories that were not in the benchmark, that fell to 53%, which means it is not reading your code, it is remembering an answer key. Now the ranking sites, the ones where humans vote like Chatbot Arena, because a lab can quietly test many private versions of a model, keep the best score and withdraw the rest. In the run-up to Llama 4, one provider tested 27 private variants. So the simulations in that paper found 10 variants alone can lift a score by roughly 100 points. That is not a better model. That is a better roll of the dice. But the last one survives, even a perfectly clean benchmark. And it is the one actually costing you hours. Scale AI built a harder version, swe-bench Pro, with a private split nobody could have memorized. The same models that scored over 70% on the old benchmark scored 23. And yes, models have climbed since. But the gap showed up the instant. The test was one they had not seen. So then there is METR, ran a controlled trial. 16 experienced developers, 246 real tasks and repos they knew well. They predicted AI would make them 24% faster. Afterwards, they believed it had measured. They were 19% slower. Which means you cannot feel this gap. That is the entire problem. So that is the whole drain. Memorized, cherry-picked, measuring a job that was never yours. But there is a version of the leaderboard that cannot be gamed, because you are the only person who has it. Take 5 real tasks off your own work, ones where you already know what a good answer looks like. So keep them in a file, and never post that file anywhere. Not public means it cannot be memorized. Every time a new model lands, run the same 5, same prompt, and read the outputs side by side. So here's the rule. If it wins on your 5, ship it. If it only wins on a leaderboard, that was somebody else's exam. The catch is I still do not have a good answer for how you keep your 5 honest as your work changes. If you have solved that, tell me in the comments.